Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava phone friends home screen setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to use home screen mode setting on Lava phone. Friends you want to use and friends you want to change guys your home screen setting. So how to change home screen setting today friends I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends scroll it. Friends click on display setting. After on display setting friends scroll it. Friends you can see your home screen setting. Friends click here. Friends you want to change your first of all home screen layout display. So you can change into by 5:4 and friends you want to change into 5:5. So friends you can change into 5:5. Friends click here. 5 row and friends 5 column you want to set on your love phone device, so you can set. Friends you want to set into 4:4. So I click here and 4 column and 4 row. Friends now you can change your phone icon size from here. Friends you want to change your lava phone icon size. Friends you can change, you can increase your phone icon size. And friends already you have increased, so friends you can decrease from here guys. Left side apply here. Friends you can see icon size will decrease on lava mobile. So friends I will set into small size and I will apply here. Friends you want to change your home screen mode setting. Friends you want to show overlap on your home screen, so friends apply here. Friends now you cannot swipe, you cannot use friends app driver setting on your lava phone. Friends all icon will show on your home screen page. So friends again click on phone setting, display setting, friends home screen setting, desktop mode, and friends you can show all apps in app driver. Friends apply here. Friends now you can use your app driver setting on your lava phone friends. And friends you can see all icon will show on desktop mode also, and friends with app driver we can use it. So like that friends you can change your home screen setting on your lava phone. You can change home screen layout, icon size, desktop mode. Friends app name length you want to on line, so you can on from here. Friends you want to lock your layout, so friends you can see after lock friends we cannot set this app on home screen page. So friends you will have to unlock from here. After unlock friends you can set this app on your home screen page. So like that friends we can use home screen setting on lava mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye guys.